Hello everyone, thank you for taking time to watch me this hour in this moment. Your friend Christopher Columbus, and I'm here to present to you GUM, Ghana Union Movement. But before I answer my call, I am on TV to Fire TV from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Now to me share Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah nyoma obeyema Ghana. Now let's move on to my topic. Ghana youth. This is the time for us to rise. This is the time for us to rise and see. So no, NDC and NPP, those people no go fit help Ghana. If you say those people, they are the same people. Omoba promises, Omoba sikedie, Omoba busiabo, Omoba inyoma basankwan omoye. Inyoma basankwan omoye. This is the time for us to rise and see. So no. Promises na dosun. Busiabo na dosun. Sikedie na dosun. Ghana youth. Yen yeto abama omu. 2020. I will say to me yo mu free so. 2020. I will say to me yo mu free so. Now GUM embra. Nye timi so. Ye find the same. Omu kite efie nyansa. Efie nimdie. Efie vision. So yen so omu so what you say? Nye timi so omu she. Num timi di omano so. This is the time for us to accept a change. Nyanto MPP ngu, NDC ngu. We need intellectuals to lead the nation. We need intellectuals to fight for the nation. We need intellectuals to help build the factories. We need intellectuals. Omunim engineering. Ombetime build the factories. Ombetime build the railways. Ombetime the jobs abre Ghana for contractors near the ade. Come on, and no be a solid politician, and no be a solid assemblyman. Every someone who says cow my offense and government munti. Ghana youth. So me na do mo ko gu parliamentar. And say ye wo. If you say Busia Bono omunye wiye. Busia Bono omunye wiye. This is the time for us to rise. Sir 450 parliamentarian seats no mbabesinu. We have to say no to it by using our votes. Yama Gumumbra, Yama Ghana Union Movement, Embra, Onyani Adolfo, book long for no Muntimin Boye, PhD degree holders for no Muntimin Boye, Ombe Wako, Na Yeminu Mienu, Yagusu on Kwasum, Na Minu Mienu, Sisia, Obos Ombe Bobosiane Sana, ye find saying, almost also to Tongan and Yomane Sa, Na is your Munashi, Ombe Tombium, no more Tongan and from Poaka. No more dear Conquasum, and say. Onyani Adolfo, dear youth, this is the time for us to rise. Yeni edi omo toso. You wait me so saying you omo. If it's a Ghana for bread, almost also afraid lazy. How come we are lazy? We are never ever lazy. We can use our brains. We can use our hands. We can use our brains. We can use our hands. Nanso so there was some way na Ghana for me so am adwene omo nsa no mo nye. Dear youth, we need to rise. We need to rise and say no to NPP, no to NDC. Yentimima GUM, Ghana Union Movement, Ghana United Movements. If you nyansa for no, and him for no, omutimi mbra no mutimbe di omano so. Omuna mo kasa ye betie ni ye, if so mo ben ye. Omo di obo de bi omo sole omo fie ni parliament house. Omo ko tena ono. Ye suka po mo nte. Na so ahemfo for no ye su omo beti. If so mo ben ye. Problem ba ye betimi akọ mo nten. Problem ba so omo betimi save ye. This is the time for us to rise. Ghana youth. You know, the NPP and this, them no go fear help us. Them no go fear help us. No NPP, no NDC. If you nyansa, together we rise. Let's stand and rise for development. Let's stand and rise for jobs. Let's stand and rise for intellectuals. Let's stand and rise for engineering. Onyani Adolfo, this is the time. This is the time. Please. I will say this video have to give you an inspiration and also rethink. Say no, these people they are playing with us. They are doing politics. They are gambling with the nation. Politics. They are gambling with the nation. They are gambling with the nation. Semunya shinton bioma. And chombesha sa tongana for. If they sell and sell and sell, so say Omaton ECG. If they sell and sell and sell, that's what we need to do. On beton Ghana for Inaka. Not slave trade, no, as some swababio. This is the time. We need to rise. You know, say, no, these people, yeah, we can't win with them. We can't win with them. Into this time around, we have to use a fear nyansa. Omo mugete fear nim dear. Omo ma brepen. Omo brepen. Omo ma ko. Ekoma di omo pain. Any also form no to me really or mine. Do you understand? So what I say? If you say these people they can't help us. Omo common di omo da. Omo hu hiada. Into ohye so omo nte. Ohye ni bra omo hu. This is the time for us to rise, Ghana. This is the time for us to rise, youth. Ghana youth. Yen support Osofo Trabosum, Reverend Christian Kwabena Andrews. Non for Ghana Union Movement, Embra. Not to me from to Chirikrono. Me pamocho Fire TV from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Na monche. Inyoma Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Debaye. Ebeye ma Ghana. Nyen to me so rise those things ni na up. Nyen to me boa Ghana for. Please. MPP and NDC, them not go fear help us. This is the time for change. This is the time for me and you to see, so no, these people there, they are playing. They are joking. They are gambling. Sikedie basa. Promises in kwa. Promises in kwa. Omun se Ghana for soon. Ghana for Brenomuhu. Ghana for Brenomuhu. This is the time. Please subscribe to my channel. And please watch me with the next video. I'll bring more and more and more. Thank you. Bye-bye.